So there's our second screen. We can go ahead, we can swap stuff too. Take a look at that. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys an overview of Restream. Shout out to Restream for sponsoring today's video. If you're interested in signing up for free, the link will be in my video description below. If you've been around my channel at all, you know that I stream live on multiple platforms at the same time. And guess what? That's all possible thanks to Restream. So today in this video, we're going to look at their pricing, their features, and we're going to talk about their referral program. So first and foremost, let's go ahead, let's jump right into their pricing plans. So the most accurate and up-to-date pricing can be found directly on Restream's website. Just select the pricing tab. You'll be at this page for individuals or for companies. We can browse monthly or yearly. If you do yearly, you can save up to 20%. Let's go ahead, let's check out all the different plans that they have to offer. Here's the monthly pricing. And then here's our yearly pricing. You can see the difference for the standard and the professional. For the free plan, it's $0 forever, 30 plus platforms for multi-streaming. Just keep in mind it's one channel per social platform. Compatible with all the major streaming software providers out there today. And you get access to Restream Studio, which means you can stream right from your browser, don't have to have any sort of additional software like OBS or XSplit. So that's really cool. Keep in mind the basic version does come without custom graphics, and it does include a Restream watermark, but you get what you pay for. So then we have the standard plan right here. Billed is $190 yearly. Everything we just talked about, plus one custom platform or one extra channel. So I use the RTMP for Amazon to be able to stream on there. So I use the Restream paid plans to get access to that. You can also stream to Facebook pages or groups, and you get 6 hours of every stream recorded and available for 15 days to download. Then we have the professional plan. It's everything we just talked about, plus 3 custom platforms or extra channels. So 3 RTMP servers if you want. No Restream branding. And you get Restream Studio Pro with custom logos and graphics right there. Pretty cool. And you get 10 hours of stream of recording for 15 days. Now let's go ahead. If you're a company, you can select for companies and you can see the difference. So we just talked about everything right there. Then we have our premium and business plans at $83 per month or $990 yearly. $249 per month or $2,990 yearly. And you can see the breakdown and differences between all the different plans right here for the business ones in blue. So you can see all the extra channels, video upload limits, video storage, stream recording. Then you can see the days double for the storage time. No branding, all the other good stuff everybody else has. Multi-camera support soon, coming soon, which is cool. You can see everything else they offer right here. So a couple more options down here, streaming amplifier. And we got a fail-safe stream backup for the business plan right there. Pretty cool. At $249 a month, you can really spec this thing out for your live streaming needs. Now let's go ahead, let's look at all the products they have to offer. So Restream offers the following products: Studio, multi-streaming chat, scheduler, and analytics. We're already at the studio page right here. You can see this nice video showing you the browser-based live studio, which is really cool. Then we can look at multi-streaming. So you can see just a quick screen grab showing you all the different destinations we can turn on for our streams. Then we have chat right here. I love this feature. This is a fantastic feature. It integrates your stream chats all in one place that you can download for Windows or view in your browser. This is a fantastic feature to keep up with your chat across all platforms. It's so cool. Love that feature a lot. I use it as a paid user. So then we got scheduler right here, guys. You can stream your recorded videos live. Enjoy your day while your streams go off without a hitch. So if you want to schedule some pre-recorded content as a live stream, you can do that right here. And then you can choose the platform and everything else. And then last but not least, we have analytics. So we get real-time analytics so we can actually see the success of our streaming and we can measure it across different social media platforms. Now let's go ahead, let's sign in to Restream and really take a look at everything they have to offer. So once you sign in with your Restream account, you'll be at this dashboard. I'm currently using the professional plan, so just keep that in mind as I go through to show you guys all these features. So you can find the dashboard right here on the left-hand side of your screen. We can choose to add a channel or update our titles. We can also upgrade, and we can toggle them all on or all off to start streaming our content live. So you can see all the channels we currently have added right here. I have 5 of them. We can add more channels. Feel free to pause your screen if you want to take a look at all of them. And you can see the rest of them right here and some at the bottom in blue. A lot of options there for us. Basically, just choose the one you want, sign in with your account credentials, and you're all set and ready to go. Here's the update titles option. We can do a bulk mass update right here for the title and description. We can also edit them individually if we want. So you can see that right here. Depends on the social and what you can update. And then we have social alerts if you want to expand that out. Again, you can toggle all on or off or toggle some on individually. Then you can see ready to go live. We can enter the live studio or use our streaming software. So we can go ahead. Let's look at the live studio first. Let's select that. And we're going to enter into the studio. So this is what it looks like once you're in the live studio right here with the pro version that we have. So this is our preview. You can see it in real time. That's my overhead camera right here. We have a lot of graphics already up on the screen that we can adjust. If you want to go live, just push the big orange go live button. You can see our camera input right here. We can turn it on and off. Here's our screen that we're sharing. You can see that right here. So there's our second screen. We can go ahead, we can swap stuff too. Take a look at that. You can see we have picture in picture, cinema, thumbnails, a couple different options for us right there. So there you go. We can disable the camera if we want. We can enable it. We can stop screen sharing. We can invite our guests. We can play back a local video file. We can view our settings too. So let's select that. You can see, here's our video inputs we can choose from. Here's the video resolution. And you can see our audio. A lot of options, audio output. Then we have some advanced settings too. You can see the live stream quality up to 1080/30. Then we can see our audio preferences as well too. A couple different options we can check on or off right there. Now let's look at the right-hand side. We have our chat, so we can see our chat right here if we wanted, which is great. We have our captions, so we can add captions. Let's just turn this one on for a second. You can see it. We had it on already. There it is, and then we can turn it off. We have graphics next. We can change our theme. Different themes we have. We can do a chat overlay, which is cool. I love that. I think that is so neat. Default graphics, avatar placeholders, participants' names. We can add our logo. You can see we have the Restream one already on the screen. We can also change our overlay. Really clean overlay. I love how that looks. Very simple, but super professional. Looks great with the background. Obviously, we can add our own videos too. Here we go. We can watch one too. There you go. You can see pretty sweet. Just a countdown clock. Here's our backgrounds again, so we can change the background. We can add our own, so we can really customize this to our own needs, our own branding. And you can see we got the setup tab right here. We can change the title, description, and then choose all the destinations we want to stream to and update them. So we can do that all from within the studio, which is so cool. It's definitely a command center for you and your stream. We can also add more channels. Pay attention to at the bottom, you can see we have a private chat. This is great. You can talk with your host and guests right here. If you're the host, or if you're not the host, or if you're a guest or not the guest, you can chat right here privately. Really handy to have that. And again, it's not going to be on the stream. So a lot of great options with the live studio. Let's go ahead. Let's check out the next setting on Restream. That's going to be our events tab on the left side. You can see right here, we can schedule an event if we want. Very simple and straightforward. Go ahead, just push this. And you can see schedule a live stream or schedule a recorded video. So we can stream our uploaded videos and recordings. Two options to go over right there, which is nice. You have both options available. Then we have our next tab in setting. It's video storage. You can see this is where we're going to have all of our streams be recorded and saved right here. We can see a demo video. We can view our own recordings if we have any. Then we have our next option. It's the scheduler right here. So we can stream recorded videos live. Just upload a video and it'll go live at a scheduled time. So here you go. You can see we can upload it, add our channels that we want, and then we can also create an event for it. Pretty cool, right? Not too shabby. Then we have more options down here. You can see we have our analytics. Let's go ahead. Let's pull that up. So you can really dive deep into this and see what you want. You can look at all sessions, last session. You can see duration, time, followers, chat messages, chat trends, Tons of options right here. So you can see all that. Pretty cool, right? Not too shabby right there. And again, lots of metrics to go over. You can see our bit rate too. And again, look at that. Streams. We can see that. Again, calendar view, average duration, stream time. So again, you can see all of this data. Here's chat, chatters, messages. You can see a ton of stuff down here. Average viewers. Again, you got to sort it by date so you can find all that information out. Here's the last 24 weeks. You can see our average viewers. It's going to crunch all of that information for us. Max viewers, watch time minutes. So there you go. You can see all that right there. Pretty cool, right? Then we can keep looking down if you wanted. Let's go back right here, though, to our next option, which is one of my favorite features of Restream, guys. It simplifies chat for you. So we can either download it for Windows or just open it in a browser. You can embed it in a stream, too, if you want right there. I'll give you the code. So let's open in browser. You can see that. This is what it's going to look like. Obviously, you'll be connected to your channels because you'll be streaming. And then you have little icons letting you know where people are chatting from, if it's Twitch or YouTube. Super, super helpful. It's really nice. So there we go. That's what we got right there. Let's try to go back out of here. All right. Let's go back from chat. All right. Let's go to our next option. So we have our monitor. If we select that, it's going to take us to this page again where we can see all of our analytics and streaming sessions. Then we can go to the Help Center if we want. We have account settings, billing, and your logout. So that's a quick overview of Restream and all the features that it has to offer. It's very, very feature rich. If you're in the market for a software to help you broadcast to multiple channels at the same time for your live content, you definitely want to consider Restream. With managing the chat for you, it's so easy. With their built-in live studio, you can really up your graphics game in your presentation of your live stream. You can bring in guest speakers, guest creators, whatever you want to help boost that content, maybe the collabs with you and somebody else's audiences. So there's a lot of features you can really use with this. Last but not least, I wanted to talk about the referral program that Restream has. This is great. They support content creators and streamers alike with their referral program. You can access it directly from the dashboard, and you can simply invite your friends to join. You can upgrade your service and get cash back. So you can select the referral program from within your account dashboard, share your link. You can also customize the link, which is cool. And then you can track your referrals and withdraw your cash. It's that simple. Like they say, everybody wins. Give a $10 Restream credit for your friend to upgrade, and you can earn up to $49 when your friend upgrades. It's that simple. It's free money. You might as well take advantage of it. Okay, so if you haven't guessed already, my favorite feature by far is the ability to restream on Restream. See what I did there? But anyways, guys, it's so simple and straightforward and very, very, very convenient. They know what they're doing. It's their bread and butter, and they do a great, great job with it. Also, since I use a paid plan, I also use the custom RTMP. This is how I can stream on Amazon Live. I copy over my Amazon Live credentials, hit add channel, and then we're all set and ready to go. Also, a great feature that they have, don't forget about it, is the chat app. I know I talked about this earlier, but this is close to, it's not number one, it's definitely my second favorite feature, but it makes restreaming that much better and more enjoyable and easier and more organized because you have your chat in one place. It is so cool. It's very nice. The icons are great too, so you can tell which platform it's coming from. You know if somebody's on Twitch talking to you, or YouTube, or Facebook, or Periscope, or anything like that. Now, I do wish in the future it would integrate with the RTMP options too. I'm not sure how that would work from a tech perspective. It might not even be possible, but I don't see my Amazon Live chat there. So I'd love to have some sort of chat integration with that in the future, or an ability to link and sync those up. But I can see all the main social channels right there. And instead of having a gazillion windows open or web browsers open, I can just have one window open to see everything, and then one more window for my RTMP chat as well too. But very simple, straightforward, guys. Great program to use whether you're using a paid version or a free version, the value is there. Don't forget that link's below, so go ahead and check out Restream today. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.